TAO has reacted to our Fibonacci support area here around the 17th of October, but moved up in only 3 waves. Yeah. And then it's come down, and it is stuck in a range. And I mean, I like the idea. I'm going to remove the blue count, but I like the idea that we formed here some kind of a flat correction. So if really a wave 2 bottomed there on the 10th of October, and this was a 5-wave move up, which is not the most beautiful one, but it is a possible 5-wave move up, and this could indeed be wave 1. Then we had an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave down. And honestly, this C wave does look very much complete. Yeah. So we have a 5-wave move down in wave C. A, 3 waves up, B, C. So this is a textbook flat correction in possibly a wave 2. So if we now see a break above these last highs there, especially the Friday high that formed around $417, that would be our first signal that a low of sorts has formed. I mean, here it's not doing much right now. So if Bitcoin gives us let's say a bullish weekly close or shows some upside, it might very well follow through as well. The question is how much confirmation you need, as a trader, for example. Support is clearly defined. I mean, I see this as a 1-2 setup as long as the market is holding above $284.70. That's a 78.6 retracement of that last rally. Any break below will open the door to the invalidation point, which is at around $245. So that's the formal invalidation point. Yeah. For the 1-2 setup, we can even add a red line here. That's going to be important. So yeah, that's going to be important. That's the big invalidation point. There's no wiggle room left. Yeah. And so, I mean, it's a question is how much you need as a trader. If we break above this last high, that would be a good indication we've bottomed. But really, for clarity, a 1-2 setup is needed. So, like, I don't know even if it's holding this low, but what we would need is 5 waves up in wave 1 and then the wave 2 pullback. Then I think it's going to break out. Without 5 waves up, you can't really know. It's holding support for now, but it's been stuck now in this range for some time, yeah. But it's one of the few charts that actually formed the 5-wave move up. This is a 3-wave move down. We're ranging without any bottoming signals. But yeah, I think it might need a catalyst. It might need Bitcoin to move up as well. But it still has some room to the downside. But I really don't want it to go below $284.